specific example that you'd like to top line there.
All right, thanks. Since we're talking about data, I'll talk about an example that deals with big data. When we think about the way AI and machine learning is used on data to sort of give us the insight to make decisions, we typically don't think about how that is arranged. But if you can think of a pyramid, right, where a lot of what we consume, the average folk consume is at the top of the pyramid, right? And there are different layers, and at the very bottom of that is where our researchers kind of spend their time consuming data, consuming information so that they can get to the next level of their research. So out of the Nettle lab, the National Energy Technology Laboratory Research Innovation Center, there was this very intriguing project around smart search. This is where they're using a big data algorithm to find data in ways that incorporate different varieties of machine learning techniques and natural language processing capabilities to really get out the information that a researcher would need. I think Jerry was trying to sort of point out, sometimes we can apply AI to sort of solve sort of the quick wins, but when it comes down to sort of the specialized application of AI, you really have to sort of get down into the nitty gritty application of AI. And this project has been out there for a few years now, and it's been, I mean, it's just amazing what they were able to do in terms of looking really deep into the file structure to get at the information that the researcher is looking for and be able to present it to them in a way that they could make decision. And the great thing about it also, they're trying to take not trying, they are taking a multi-cloud approach to have to sort of overcome sort of scaling limitations, because when you start going that deep, you will consume a lot of resources, and they want to be able to rapidly deploy it in different environments where necessary, and also to sort of mitigate some of the data and service sort of redundancy that may come as a result. So it's a very interesting project. There is another one where our Oregon laboratory is looking at how to apply AI in terms of operations to help them to figure out how to automatically push out lessons learned to lab folks, and to make sure that they can put forward the best safety applications. As you know, in any laboratory where there are research, particularly around chemicals and whatnot, safety is a big thing. So they're
Right.
using data, they're using
Mm-hmm.
AI to help to kind of get at that, and they're able to do that because of the data that is available to them, and how they're sort of manipulating and consuming and mining that data.